Hi everyone, our next lesson is clipping the cloth pin around the bowl. So to begin with this lesson, you need to have a bowl and the cloth pins. I'm taking a few cloth pins today. I have cloth pins at home. I'm using them and you can start the activity. So hold the clip with your thumb and the two fingers. And press the clip, open the mouth, keep it to the end of the keep it to the frame of the bowl. Yes. Press it and try to clip it to the bowl. Hold with your thumb and two fingers. Press and clip it. Press and clip it. To press with your thumb and the two fingers and clip it to the rim of the bowl. Press it and clip it. You can press and you can clip it. Continue doing until you finish all the cloth pins inside the bowl. So I finished placing all my cloth clips around the bowl, clipping it nicely, and you can do the same thing to your object, whatever you have chosen. So after you finish clipping it, try to take it off and place it inside the bowl. You can keep counting numbers when you're placing the clips inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.